Hi, I'm Molly. Welcome to my Ideal Home Show tour. I'm going to be showing you around my favourite room of our entire house, and that is our living room. It is currently my favourite season, so I have completely covered our house in pumpkins, LED lights, and I just absolutely love it. But it does take me a good few minutes to turn these on every evening. When we settle down, I dread to think how many minutes of my life is spent doing this. This is such a little cozy corner of the house. I love sitting here, especially when it's raining outside. I've got my cozy lamps on, snuggled under a throw, reading or scrolling on my phone. It's just honestly bliss. I love being in this cozy little corner. You will very rarely catch us with the big light on in this room. We're all about the lighting. I feel like it completely changes the atmosphere, and I use this word all the time, cozy. This is the coziest room in our whole house, and I feel like lighting really helps with that. We're all about the lamps, and I just feel like it feels so warm and inviting when you've got a nice cozy lamp on. When we first picked our furniture, we are all about the comfort. We love snuggling down of an evening watching TV. Comfort was number one for us, but I also love the look of our furniture. We've got this big 4-seater sofa here, and then we've got the snuggle chair which fits 2 people on, and this fabric is like a white clean fabric, so whenever we spill something on here, because we love having a drink and some food in here while we're watching the TV, it literally just wipes off. It's easy clean, so we absolutely love this sofa, and we spend many hours of our day on here. Then we've got this corner which has obviously had the pumpkin treatment as well. We have some LED candles in here which we use all year round. It just again adds to the coziness of our living room. And about a year or 2 ago we put this mirror in here. I feel like it just opens up the space. I think we were actually just trying on outfits, and it was like a temporary, let's bring the mirror down to see what we're keeping and what we're sending back in our clothes order, but we ended up keeping it here, and it's just really handy just before you walk out the door to do a little bit of an outfit check. I like taking some Instagram stories in this mirror just before I head out, so we've kept this here, and I think it works really well. Opens the space up, and yeah, it just makes this space feel complete, I think. When we first moved in, we actually had this room painted floor to ceiling all black. Our family thought we were mad, but as soon as it was done, everyone realised that it was the right move, and it just felt really warm in here, so snuggly. And even in the daytime I really loved the all black, but a couple of years in we just fancied a switch up. I just fancied brightening up the space. My dad's a painter and decorator, so I got on the phone to him, and he actually added the half sort of neutral panel in, so we just kept the black as it was, added a neutral panel, and I just think it broke it up, added a bit of character, and it just lightened that space up a little bit. After we'd had those couple of years of all black, I was just ready for a little bit of a change, and I really love it. I still love this room. I don't think I would change anything in here. I think it's just us, and I feel like everything ties in really nicely. This back wall actually has the black crop print wallpaper that we had first put in when we first moved in as well. We had the black walls, and then this was just like a little bit of a feature texture wall, because I love this wallpaper so much. I couldn't bear to part with it when we had the paneling put in, so we just had the paneling over the crock, and I love it. I feel like it just adds a bit of texture, and I always get compliments about this wallpaper, and I'm just obsessed with it. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed our little living room tour.